This is Father, I Adore You in the key of C by Terrye. Coelho, might have pronounced that wrong. This is a very beautiful one. This reminds me of my childhood a lot. So I hope you love it. As always, you can click on the description of the video below and you can print out the chord sheet that I have ready for you. All right, so let's look at some chords. So in the key of C, we have normally C, F, G, but in this song we have C, G, and then we have a D minor. So it's really simple. There's 3 chords. Let's go through those. We have C, E, G, makes up a C chord, okay? Then we have D minor. If you move up 1 note, that is a D minor. D, F, A. Then our G chord, let's scoot down here, G, B, D. And as always with chording, you can feel free to play a G down here or a G up here or a C here or a C here, whatever feels more comfortable for you and whatever, you know, I mean, there's just so much flexibility in chording, okay? All right, so C chord, review, D minor, and G. That's it. Let's look at left hand. We're gonna put thumb on C, line up your 5 fingers, and then you can leave your hand here the whole song. And we're only gonna have to move open the C, and you'll know what I mean here. So let's play single C note with a C chord up here. Then we're gonna open our D, and play the D minor. See how we just moved that finger open? Okay, and then the G. All right, let's bring the rhythm in and we'll know how the 2 hands can join together. So we're gonna go like this. Together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. Very simple marching rhythm, okay? You can practice that on a D minor. Together, right, together, right, together, right, G. Okay, let's look at verse 1. And since this song has just 3 verses repeated, there's not a whole lot of new. It's just very simple pattern. Let's bring the 2 hands together with vocals. Here we go. Father, I adore you. Nice marching rhythm through that whole thing. C, D minor, G, C. Second line. C, D minor, G, C, C, D minor, G, C. If you didn't notice the pattern, it's going to repeat itself the whole entire song. C, D minor, G, C, C, D minor, G, C, C, excuse me, D minor, G, C. Bring the 2 hands together again. Father, I adore you. Lay my life before you. How I love you. C, D minor, G, C, C, D minor, G, C, C, D minor, G, C. And if it's too hard to bring the 2 hands together, just play through the right hand chords. C, D minor, G, C, and so on, okay? All right, since there's so much repetition for you, I'm just gonna play it beginning to end and you can follow along with me. Here we go. Father, I adore you. Lay my life before you. How I love you. Jesus, I adore you. And lay my life before you. How I love you. Spirit, I adore you. Bye.